We've all used chalk, but have you ever wondered how it's actually made? Let's take a look at the complete manufacturing process. The process begins with the main raw materials: plaster, calcium carbonate, talc, binders, glycerin, and an environmentally friendly defoaming agent. The main material is natural gypsum. After the rough mineral is crushed and ground into fine powder, it is heated to about 150 degrees Celsius to remove water and turn raw gypsum into plaster. This step is essential for allowing the chalk to harden and take shape quickly. The powdered materials and additives are then mixed with water at high speed until everything forms a uniform mixture. For dustless chalk, the mixture is divided into smaller pieces before being fed into a high-pressure screw extrusion machine. The machine continuously pushes out long, uniform chalk blanks and automatically cuts them to the required length. The newly formed chalk then enters a temperature and humidity-controlled drying line. It is dried slowly and evenly to reduce the risk of cracking or deformation. Once completely dry, the dustless chalk is clean, strong, and ready for use. But there's another traditional method. For ordinary chalk, workers mix plaster and calcium carbonate with water to create a smooth gypsum slurry. For coloured chalk, environmentally friendly water-soluble pigments can also be added. The slurry is quickly poured into moulds and levelled with a scraper. The plaster then reacts with water and gradually hardens through crystallization. After around 10 minutes, it becomes solid enough to remove from the moulds. Workers carefully take out the chalk, remove any broken pieces, and place the good ones together to dry naturally for 2 to 3 days before packaging. Both methods have their advantages. Traditional chalk is inexpensive and remains a classic teaching tool, while dustless chalk produces far less airborne dust, is more resistant to breaking, and leaves fewer crumbs. Which manufacturing process would you like to see next? Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating manufacturing processes.